There are clearly in manufacturing what we call the YET QP, which is yield, energy, throughput, quality, and productivity, which has traditionally been very, very important to the manufacturing industry. Within that, the OEE of availability into speed into quality is very important from an asset transformation perspective. And you also now have business models on the consumer side, which is e-commerce platforms and the whole platform revolution which is happening, which is very, very making it very, very important for the manufacturing industry to reach out to its customers. So when you put all of that together, you need to work on the customer experience side and have metrics like NPS, Net Promoter Score, and provide an experience which not only is better than what the customer expects today, is not only better than what your competitors are offering, but is as good as what the Amazons of the world are offering. Because once a customer becomes used to a certain level of service and experience, it becomes very difficult for them to ratchet down or scale their expectations down.